How to remove a user from your Windows 11 laptop. So if you want to delete an admin or a guest account on your computer, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Now, first step is just to go and open up the Start menu. You can then search for Control Panel and click on this window here. In the top right hand side where it says View By, click on the drop down arrow and select Large Icons. You can then select User Accounts. Now click on Manage Another Account, and here you'll see all of the accounts on your computer. Now it's important to note that before deleting an account, we need to make sure we have another account set up. So if you only have one administrator, you'll need to click Add New User in PC Settings. You can then click on Add Account. You can press I don't have this person's sign-in information and click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. You could then just fill in the information by creating a username and a password. Once a second account's been created, you can click on the drop-down arrow, click on Change Account Type, and make sure this is set to administrator, and then you can press OK. Now once you have a second account set up, you can come back over to the control panel. You can then select the account that you want to delete, and you can press the Delete the Account button. Choose whether you want to delete or keep the files. I'm going to press Delete, and then you can just press Delete Account. So that's how to remove a user from your laptop. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.